let's do online TSI 133, questions 68 through 80, part 4. Ready? Let's start on it. Factor, the GCF. 4y minus 2, I say 2. 2 times that, check it. 2 times that is 4y, 2 times that, negative 2. That's the right answer, it's good. If x squared minus 4 equals m, then find this, x squared minus 2. So there's the original problem. Divide by 2, 2, 2 all the way across. This divides is 1, this divides at 2. That stays the same. So x squared minus 2 equals m over 2. So x squared minus 2 is equal to what? M over 2. Just a trick. A squared minus b squared. Rewrite that as a squared minus b squared. And there's a formula that says difference of squares. So that's going to be a plus b, a minus b. This one, factor, x squared minus 25. Rewrite it, x squared minus 5 squared. There's a formula again, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. So x plus 5 times x minus 5 is the answer. Another difference of square, x squared minus 25, y squared. So rewrite it, x squared minus 5 squared. So that's going to be x plus 5y, x minus 5y. That's it, we're done. Factor, x squared, 100x squared minus 9y squared. Rewrite it, 10x squared minus 3y squared. 10x plus 3y, 10x minus 3y. That's the answer, we're done. Factor, x squared over 9 minus 64. That's x over 3 squared, because x times x squared, 3 is 9. 8 times 8, 64. So now a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b again. X over 3 plus 8, x over 3 minus 8. The answer. Alright, this one, we have x squared over 9 minus y squared over 25. So what we're going to have to do is rewrite it, x over 3 squared minus y over 5 squared, which is going to be x over 3 plus y over 5, x over 3 minus y over 5. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. Again. Factor out the GCF. I say 2x comes out from all these, and that's what's left over. But we got to check it. So ready? So 2x times this one, you write it. 2x to the 1, to the 1, to the 1. That times that one is going to be 8x to the 1 plus 2. That's going to be 14x to the 1 plus 1. And that's going to be 12x1, y1. That's going to be 8x cubed, 14x squared, 12xy. Does that match the one up there? Yes, it's good. Simplify this. X plus x squared over x. Rewrite it as two fractions. So now we have x over x. That's going to be 1. And this x squared means x times x. Cancel one of these out here. So what's left over is 1 plus x. Simplify this. AB plus b over b. Write it as two fractions. AB over b, b over b. B over b, b over b is going to be 1. And then AB, b's cancel. So you have a plus 1 left over. That's it. 5xy plus y over y. Break it into two fractions. So we have 5xy over y, y over y. So now here the y's cancel. And we have 5x, and then y over y is a 1. So 5x plus 1. 8n plus 4 over 4. Break it up in two fractions. Two fractions again. 8n over 4, 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is 1. 4 divides 8, 2. So 2n plus 1. Solve this. 2x times x plus 5 equals 0. Set 2x equals 0. X plus 5 equals 0. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. We're done with that part. X plus 5 equals 0. Minus 5, minus 5. So x is negative 5. So x is 0 or x is a negative 5. There's my answer right there. Answer. Alright, next one. 8x, x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. So possible numbers are 12, 1, 6 and 2, 3 and 4. Say 6 and 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 and 2 is 8. X and x, x squared. So this matches that, yes. X plus 2 equals 0. Minus 2 minus 2, so x is negative 2. Or x plus 6 equals 0. Minus 6 minus 6, so x equals negative 6. So negative 2 and negative 6. The answer. X squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Possible numbers are 8, 1, 2, 4. X plus 2 equals 0. X plus 8 equals 0. So, is that right? 2 times 4 is 8. 4 and 2 is 6. Yes. So, x plus 2 equals 0. Minus 2 minus 2. So, x is negative 2. X plus 4 equals 0, minus 4 minus 4, so x is negative 4. So negative 2 or negative 4, the answer. X squared plus x minus 12. So 12 times 1, 6 and 2, 3 and 4. I say 3, 4. X minus 3, let's see, let's check this, see if it works. Negative 3 times 4, negative 12, yes. 4 minus 3 is 1, and that turns out is x squared, so it's correct. X minus 3 equals 0, plus 3 plus 3, so x is negative 3. X plus 4 equals 0, minus 4 minus 4, so x is negative 4. So 3 and negative 4 the answer. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, so 2 times 1, that's it. So x plus 1, x minus 2, is that right? Let's see, that turns out is negative 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. X and x is x squared, so that matches. X plus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 1, so x is negative 1. X minus 2 equals 0, plus 2, so x equals 2, so negative 1 and 2, the answer. This one, we got to rewrite it. X squared minus 12 equals x, so minus x both sides, so we have x squared minus 12 minus x. Rewrite this. This is 0, so now rewrite this. X squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. Possible numbers are 12, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, but we're going to choose 3, 4. Does that work? Let's see. 3 times negative 4, negative 12. 3 minus 4, negative 1. X and x, x squared. X plus 3 equals 0. Plus, minus 3, so x is negative 3. Or minus 4 plus 4 plus 4, so x equals negative 3 or x equals 4. The answer. Rating. X squared minus 6x equals negative 8. Add 8 to both sides. So now we have x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. So now, possible numbers, 8 times 1, 2, and 4. I'm going to say 2 4s 1. So negative 2 times negative 4, is that positive 8? Yes. And negative 4 and negative 2 together, is that negative 6? Yes. And x, x squared? Yep. So this matches. X minus 2 equals 0. So we have add 2, so x is 2. Over here we have x minus 4 equals 0, plus 4, so x equals 4. So x equals 2 or x equals 4. So the answer is x equals 2 or x equals negative 4, the answer. All right. Good luck on your TSI test. This is Professor Alfredo Gil Alvarez Jr. Good luck, good luck, good luck.